Hey, I'm Steve, and I just got in the TROND Surge Protector with USB chargers. Now, I don't know about you, but these excite me because I have places all over my house that needs such diverse chargers. Okay, why do I get so excited over a outlet like this? Well, first of all, it's a surge protection outlet for my electronics. I don't have to worry about my electronics getting burned up. Second of all, this particular one has five AC outlets. Now, I also have a bunch of cameras and things that require USB. It's got two USB-A's and a USB-C. I recently got an iPhone 15. It is now USB-C. That excites me because this is going to be so useful in my home. Another thing that I like, it's a flat plug, because now where I have furniture and maybe the regular plug may stick out and be in the way, look at that. That is going to plug in flat against an outlet. When you plug the outlet in, you can see these two little lights here. The blue light indicates power. The one on the left indicates that your surge protector is working, and it is controlled by this little switch, so you can turn the outlet on and off. That's off. Let me turn it back on. So right there indicates that everything is working as it should. I can let the outlet lay flat on the floor, or I can attach it to a wall. They give the little internal already made brackets to hang it, and they also include some screws. It also comes with a 5-foot cord, and that's a great feature for this TROND Surge Protector outlet. Okay, look at this. Now, it's kind of a mess. This is behind my couch, and the couch is an electric recliner, and it's not pretty. Now, this is a perfect place for my TROND outlet. I sit right over there in that brown recliner, so because the TROND has the 5-foot cord, I'll be able to reach everything. See behind there on the couch, that's a wall outlet. I can't get to any of this stuff without moving furniture. So this TROND is going to save the day. I like it. I recommend it. I think you'll like it too. So if you're watching this video, I hope you found the video helpful.